Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn all of the things about the mouse and mouse settings on Windows. I'm using Windows 11. You can do these things I'm going to teach you on Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 7. Okay, let's jump to the screen and see what's going on. Okay, so let's go and start learning all of the things about the mouse on Windows 11. Okay, on the search bar we are going to type mouse. You see the mouse setting. You have to open it. On the mouse settings you see this tab. This way is too better for me. On this tab you can change the primary mouse button. The default of that is left. You can change it to the right. I recommend don't change the primary mouse button key to the right. Okay, in here you can change the mouse pointer speed. For example, if you low it, you press it on low, it will be like that. Or if you press it on the fast, it will be like that. With a simple click, the speed of this mouse pointer, it will be go. Okay, on here, on the scroll the mouse wheel to a scroll. Multiple lines, if you press multiple lines at a time. This, for example, the tab I'm scrolling, and let me open a place which you need to scroll on it. The place I can say it is YouTube. When I scroll it, when I'm on this tab, I can scroll the other tab, but if it is one screen at a time, I can't scroll the other tab. Okay, multiple lines at a time. And lines to scroll at a time. The speed of the scroll. If you press it on the high, you can see the changes. It is 2. Not 3 or 4, 4. By default it is 3. Yes. Okay. The related settings. Scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. Let me disable it. As you can see, you cannot scroll another tab when you're on here. For example, when I become on here, I can scroll, but when I'm here, I can scroll just this tab. I cannot scroll the other tab. I recommend to enable it. Okay. On the related setting, the additional mouse settings, you see the mouse properties, which is on control panel. I'll teach you how to go there. Okay, before we go on that, on the mouse pointer, you can change the mouse pointer. You can change the mouse pointer. I can say color, which is black, and this is inverted. When you're on a white screen, it will be black. If you're on a black screen, it will be white. And you can change the size of that. You can change the color of that. Right now it is green. You can choose, or I can say you can create a custom color for yourself. I don't want to have the color mouse pointer. Okay, all of the things. complete. I teach you this part, and in here we are going to be additional mouse settings. Okay, and you can come in here, or I can say you can go in here with the control panel. Type control panel. On here, change the category to the small icons or the large icons. It is not important. Press on the mouse. You see this tab. Okay, I press on the mouse and change it to the category. It's better for me. In here, we will see the button config 2, the speed, and the things which I told you on the setting, the new setting of the Windows. In the near future, its mouse properties, or I can say the control panel, will be disabled, and I can say it will be removed from the Windows, and we have just this setting. The control panel will be removed, and we will have just this setting in the near future. Okay, but all of the important things are on the mouse properties, or I can say on the control panel right now. In the near future, it will be happen. Okay, on the pointer part, you can change your pointer icon. You can press on browse, and I can say download an icon for yourself, customize it, do these other things on the pointer part. On the pointer option, you will see the speed, and it is too bad, this visibility. For example, the child do this, and it will it will make headache. Let's see what's going on. It will make a headache. Okay. Hide pointer while typing. When you are typing, this pointer, it will be hidden. Show location of pointer when I press Ctrl key. Let me enable it. For example, my pointer is there. I press on the Ctrl. You see it will make a circle, and I can find my pointer. It is too useful when you have two monitors or more than two monitors. If you lost your pointer, you will press in Ctrl, and it will make a circle on the pointer place. You will find it. Okay, let me see. On the wheel part, you can change the speed, or I can say the scrolling of the mouse wheel. And if you wanna, for example, make the scroll, or I can say make the wheel fast, for example, on the screen, change the scroll to the fast thing. You can change the number to the more than 3 to higher numbers, for example 7, 10, 5. On the hardware part, you can see your mouse hardware settings, or I can say the hardware options. My mouse is USB input, but my keyboard is PS2. You see these things, and when you press it on the properties, you will learn or know the mouse driver, mouse details, mouse hardware settings. Okay, these are all of the things about the mouse settings on the Windows. If this content helps you, press the like button, and if you wanted to know, or I can say to see the videos which is related with this part, with this video, subscribe to the channel, watch the other videos, the previous videos, the future videos. I'm going to share it, and if you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will create a video just for you. So all of the things done. I hope you like this video. Let me pause it. Pause it.